What are foreign exchange currency correlations? Correlation describes whether two financial instruments A. move in the same direction, B. into opposite directions, and C. in no correlation or in relationships. When we refer to foreign exchange currency correlations, we look at the currency pairs and their relativity strength and also their relationships with other currency pairs. And by knowing which currency pairs falls into the scale or correlating with each other, you can minimize your risks and really maximize the opportunity on every trade you take within certain currency pair groups. Furthermore, let's address different types of foreign exchange currency correlations. When we address foreign exchange currency correlations, we refer to two types of currency correlations. A. Positive correlations. When two pairs have a positive correlations, they move in the same direction. For an example, if the euro dollar and the euro Canadian dollar generally move in the same direction because both have euro as the first currency, which is also known as the base currency. Furthermore, opposite to a positive correlations, where two currency pairs move in the same direction, contrary, we have negative correlation. When two currency pairs are negatively correlated, they move in the opposite directions. For an example, the euro US dollar and the USD dollar Swiss franc are usually negative correlated, which means when the euro goes up, the dollar goes down, and vice versa. For practicality reasons, let's look at an example. If we have a look at the example of the euro USD dollar versus the euro Canadian dollar, which is positively correlated due to the fact that both have the same base currency. In the screenshot, you see that the euro dollar chart, daily chart, clearly shows that there was a continuation of a bullish trend with a reversal at a key fundamental level. And if we have a look at the euro Canadian dollar chart, we will see the exact same fluctuations, a bullish continuation in trend with a key reversal level in play. And that is what positive correlation within the foreign exchange market means to currency pairs with the same base currency. Later on in the course, you will see the live charts where we analyze it and where we really see the correlations within these fundamental currency pairs groups and how we can trade with them day to day to minimize our risks and really to maximize our potential rewards on low risk investment. I hope you now know more what currency correlation means and really how we define the two types of correlations.